Howdy. Well, we're on the Highway 99 bridge, river, whatever, and there's a lot more boats out here than I suspected. So I found this little creek arm. It looks like it's pretty shallow, but it looks pretty good. So I'm gonna slide up in here as far as I can and see if there's any fish worth biting. I think the place I want to be is further upriver, but we're gonna give it a try anyway, and hopefully it'll pay off. So we're getting our baby brush hog ready, and we're gonna give it a shot. So hang around and see what we can do. Couple little fish. Water's pretty clear. They're seeing me long before I see them, which is a problem. See, right there. He just keeps fucking. Where's he going? He's right here. That's the third time he's darted out and gone right to this spot. I see him. He swims into him every time. Yep, got him. Pissed him off enough. Look at that guy. Hell yeah. Sight casted for that fish. Look at that big go. All right, man. Get back in there and guard your fry. That was so cool to watch him take it. He went right back to his fry ball, like instantly. All right. Let's get the flock out of Dodge. They told me it was sketchy going up river here, but you can hear that wind. How bad it is. If you're on the main lake right now, you'd be getting beat down. Adding code. Yeah. Like that didn't work. That's not working. That's not working. Right. I had a couple buddies here yesterday. They said they caught 25 or 26 in this stretch.
Me too.
Really?
Yeah, me too. Buddy said, "Man, you got to get up in there, man." So I idled all the way up here this morning. I see them.
I'm seeing that swim by.
3, 4, 5 pounders.
I'm seeing them cruising around, but
yeah, me too. They're right on the edges. Every time the sun comes out, I see them. There's some carp, everything in between them. Well, I mean, we've seen some nice ones. We've seen 20 pounds of bass in here, that's for sure.
Yeah, they said they caught probably 20 to 25 yesterday just playing around.
Man.
But I don't know. Just one. Oh, he spit it too. Well, it looks like we're sight casting. The first for me sight cast for bass, but that's exactly what I did. I saw him on the bed. Oh yeah, baby. Oh my gosh. Right in the roof of the mouth. Look at this thing. Oh! Daddy girl, come here. Come on. Don't be that mean. I'll put you right back. Oh, look at that. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Look at that mouth. Come on, baby. Oh, no, no. Ah, yes, sir. Look at that. Man, right in the top of the mouth. These fish are dark. Look at that girl. Isn't she gorgeous? Oh my gosh. I just saw the line start moving off. All right, let's go back home. There you go, sweetheart. There she goes. That bass I saw up under that tree. Like casting for bass. Never thought I'd see the day. But here I am doing it.
What was that, 3 casts in a row?
Yep. Wow.
Like, looked at him.
And just boop, boop, boop.
That's why I was like, well, we're going to go back in there. So
Yep.
that thing's full of fish.
Oh, it's everywhere.
Man, that's why we're going back, man. We're going to go have a good time.
Y'all tear it up, man. I'm going to head down here and see what I can do. He's looking at it. Take it. Right in the roof of the mouth. Hey. Look at that. Sight fishing for bass. He's little, but he's bass. There's the yeller. What you got? We were just talking about it.
Oh, yeah.
Woo!
Oh, yeah.
You notice I left that fish for you. I just kept going.
Appreciate it.
I saw him turn on it a while ago, so I turned on him. I looked over and I saw him chase my bait out and he turned back, so I was like, let's see if he'll bite. He did. He barely hooked though. Big boy, there we go. Look at that pretty sucker. They're all dark up in this part of the lake. I've ever seen. So, Choke Canyon, Highway 99 bridge. So we're actually upriver from Choke Canyon, and let's just say we did okay. We didn't do great, but we did get some, and we caught a few decent ones. I appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thanks.